Hello and welcome to the WordPress Masterclass. In this course, I will show you how to build a WordPress website. So why should you learn from me? I have helped to build hundreds of WordPress websites and I've been using WordPress for over 5 years now. I've helped businesses to maximize profits by redesigning and rebuilding their WordPress websites in order to increase sales. I have over 150,000 students in over 100 different countries around the world. And I have dedicated my time to build this course to help people learn how to use WordPress to build their own website. So, what are we going to be doing in this course? We will be building this website that you see right here. The website has 5 pages, a home page, an About Us page where you can tell your website visitors who you are, a Contact Us page which has a fully functional contact form, a services page where you can display your services, and also a blog page which automatically updates when you publish a new blog post. We will go through the entire process of building a WordPress website, starting with registering a domain name and setting up the website hosting. I will even show you how to manage users in your WordPress website, set up security plugins to secure your website, connect Google Analytics and back up your website. I sincerely hope that you enjoy the course, but most of all, I hope that you learn a lot from it. So I will see you inside the course. Thanks for watching and goodbye.